Guys, Jessa here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a unboxing video and it is one of my favorite things right now. It's the Bath and Body Works. So Bath and Body Works had this launch event for this collection which is called Into the Night, and the event itself was so lit. It was like magical, fairy lights, flowers. I was trying to include a clip from the event and you guys can see for yourself. It was just amazing. So I got this giant bag filled with the entire collection, so I thought this deserves a video. The packaging of this collection itself is so beautiful. It's like you don't need any other prop, you just take the picture and the picture is beautiful. Like that sort of a packaging, it's just amazing. I just love it. Okay, the scent of the collection is so very like mysterious sort of a thing. I don't know how to explain scents a lot, but I'm trying. Let me read out the notes of this. Okay, so this is an alluring blend of raspberry noir, velvety rose and rich amber. It's just very nice and I am seriously like hooked. So since the collection itself is so epic, I thought I would just show you guys what's in here, and I also thought I would share with you guys some of my recent purchases from Bath and Body Works. Of late I've been like obsessed with Bath and Body Works. There was a time when I like phased out of Bath and Body Works, but last year, I think towards the end of last year, I rediscovered it and I went crazy. So every time I see a store, I just buy something, and they have so many incredible offers, like on and off. Okay, so let's just dive into the collection, and I'm also going to show you guys some recent purchases which I made. This video is fragrant rich. So the first thing I'm going to start off is with this candle. So look at the packaging. Like, what did I just tell you guys? It's so cool and it's so beautiful. I'm just like obsessed. So this one is the scented candle. This is the 3-wick candle. I am a Bath and Body Works candle fanatic, especially the 3-wick ones. I don't get the single ones. If you're getting the candles, get the 3-wick ones. It's amazing and it's just so good. I kind of like hoard these candles. So I'll show you guys the rest of the candles which I bought recently as well at the end of the video. So stay tuned. So this candle is so good. So I'm gonna save this for a very special calming nights where I want to pamper myself, just like put some relaxing music, light the candle and just read a book and just chill. This is my special occasion candles officially. So the next thing we have here is the Into the Night Whipped Glotion. Like the name is so cool, Glotion. I'm hooked. Okay, so this is like a whipped cream, but I think it has a lot of sparkles in here. I love the name. It's like Glotion. So cool. Okay, next we have here the moisturizing body wash with shea butter and cocoa butter. So I recently got another moisturizing body wash from Bath and Body Works, and I did not like the scent, but I loved how nourished my skin was, especially during the winter, and the skin on my body gets extremely dry, so I've been using that one. The reason I don't like the scent is because it has that honey scent, and I hate honey in any scent, but I didn't read that at the time I was buying it. So this is like the magical scent in my favorite formula. I actually do enjoy these moisturizing body washes. I use a shower gel first and then I kind of like use this as like a conditioning body wash, so it kind of makes my skin so smooth. Love it. The next thing I have here is the Fine Fragrance Mist. I love the Fine Fragrance Mist from Bath and Body Works. I have so many. One of my other favorite is the Japanese Cherry Blossom one. Amazing. Let me just spritz that onto my hand. So the next thing we have is also a shimmer mist. So this is the Diamond Shimmer Mist. So this is like a fragrance mist, I think, infused with like sparkles. I wouldn't say that this is like a fine shimmer. It's more like sparkles and glitters. The next one I have here is the shower gel, and I love the Bath and Body Works shower gels. I don't know guys, I have gone through so many shower gels from Bath and Body Works. I just really love them. They kind of cleanses your body as well as does not strip the moisture off your body. Yeah, so I'm kind of excited to have a new body shower gel. Next we have here the moisturizers. So this is the 24-hour moisture ultra sheer body cream. So they also have the body lotion, so you have 2 of these variants. I think this is perfect for winter. Also the star of the show, the perfume. This packaging is so cute and adorable. I can't wait to try this. So good. Also there is a hand cream. This is definitely going into my bag. So there was this wallflowers as well. I've never tried the Bath and Body Works wallflowers. So recently I just like shifted to a new place and I'm like really into like scents and home fragrance and home related anything. I'm just like obsessed. I've never tried these mist wallflowers. I'm kind of like curious to see how it's going to like be, like if it will be strong or if it's gonna be like a faint fragrance. I don't know, I just have to try it. Okay, and also there is this glowing body scrub. So this is like a body scrub with a lot of shimmer. I know shimmer in a body scrub doesn't make sense, but this whole collection screams luxury, and it's like a pampering thing. So you know, just feel good, just put some shimmering body scrub, wash it off, and it is something to make yourself feel good. I think that's the point. Also, there is this Into the Night cleansing hand gel. So last but not the least, I have the gentle foaming hand soap. I discovered the hand soaps very recently, and I am like so sad. Why did I buy hand soaps from Bath and Body Works before? I have no idea, but these are amazing and it's so good. I have a couple of others I'll just show you guys in a while. It's just so like, you know, those have like shimmer in them, and it's just like, you know, it just cleanses your hands, and it's very like, it makes you clean, and at the same time you feel very, you're happy. Like, I've got compliments for hand wash. Anyway, moving on to the things I purchased myself. So let me just show you guys a few candles I bought recently. The first one here is the cinnamon pine cone. So this one is a winter scent, and I love cinnamon. It's just one of my favorite scents. I love cinnamon, especially at home. It's just so good. And this one is divine, and I love the packaging. It's like a very beautiful duochrome thingy. With similar packaging, I have another one. This is called Black Tie. I've kind of like burned it once, and this is a very like classy, elegant sort of a scent, like, you know, sophisticated and nice. And you guys, I am literally obsessed with wooden scents, and I had to get this. This is like a dream come true for me. This is called Fireside, and this smells like, I don't know, this smells like I'm in this cabin, I'm sitting by the fireside and reading a book, and this is the scent. It's just so good. I haven't tried it yet. I want to see how it's gonna be like, you know, when I light it up. And the last candle I have is the Ocean Driftwood, and this is more like a daytime fragrance. I think it's like a very oceany, fresh sort of a scent. So I got two things from the aromatherapy range, and this is the Stress Relief Body Lotion. This is like eucalyptus and spearmint. I love spearmint. It's just amazing and very cooling and refreshing, and also it comes with a pump. I have like tried it just once or twice, so I need to use it more. So next I have a nourishing body oil. It's called Sleep. It's with black chamomile, and love the packaging, very like masculine. So next I'm going to show you guys some hand soaps. This one is Pink Chiffon, and the other one is Sunshine and Lemons. I really like these ones, which they have these shimmery things in here. Like, it's a very shimmery hand wash. So the one which I'm using right now is called Turquoise Water, and it's very, very nice. It's very luxe. And I have got a lot of compliments for this hand soap. Like, people come in, they're like, wow, this hand wash is nice. Also, I have another fine fragrance mist. This is the Rose Water and Ivy. I love rose as a scent. It's just one of my favorites. Like, rose and wood would be my top favorites, and this is just very nice. Very light, very... I love it. Now I'm going to show you one of my favorite scents from Bath and Body Works. This is called Cactus Blossom. So these are travel sized ones. This is the body lotion, and this is the shower gel. So I also had the fragrance mist, but it kind of leaked. Like, I had put it in the car, and then my son opened it, and then it just leaked everywhere, and my car smells like Cactus Blossom. So this one is the travel sized one. I love buying travel sized ones because I can like finish it up and then move on to the next scent. I kind of like buy all the travel size from the same range, like the body lotion, the body wash, and also the fragrance mist, and then I just layer it up, and then you will literally smell like a snack. So if you want to like have a lingering, long-lasting scent, what you can do is get everything in the same fragrance and then layer it up, and you will get like a very nice lingering scent. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and also if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and let me know which is your favorite product from Bath and Body Works in the comment section below, and give this video a thumbs up. Bye. See you guys in my next video.